Alright, it's your boy and I am back for another video. So, I don't know if you guys heard na yung news dun sa Andy Byron issue, no? Yung sa infidelity or cheating issue sa US. To be honest with you, I am not familiar with the people involved. Kilala ko lang sila nung nalaman natin yung issue sa Coldplay concert. But let me share you my thoughts. So, para kasi sa akin guys, sa dami ng taong kilala ko, syempre may mga makikilala ka along the way na who've been a part of that kind of situation. So, para lang sa akin guys, I've seen a few people that I've known na talagang parang, alam nyo guys, this is a good reminder na napakabait talaga ng Panginoon. Napakabait ni God. This is not to sound too preachy, pero napakabait ni God in a way na if someone is really doing you wrong, the situation will really reveal itself. Kahit wala kang ginagawa. Ikaw man yung wife, ikaw man yung husband, ikaw man yung kaibigan, or any kind of relationship, if there's betrayal, the universe and God will really let you know. So bakit ko to sinasabi? Because I've seen a lot of people who lost great opportunities, who've lost wealth, who've lost great things that was given to them by God and by the universe just because they commit infidelity or they've cheated. Guys, this is a good example as well na we need to stand and be firm with our faith because there's really a battle, not just physically, mentally, but also spiritually and emotionally. So you really need to stand. Hindi po lahat ng may isip ng utak natin gagawin nating realidad. This is a reminder also for myself and lahat naman tayo di ba? Na manatili tayong nasa bubble ng blessing. Huwag na tayong maging curious gumawa ng ibang mga bagay. It is because there are moments where your fantasies shouldn't be any kind of reality because it will make you immoral. So sa akin lang, let's be firm with our faith. Let's stay good as much as we can. We are all sinners. The moment we are born here in this world, we are born sinners. So there's no really way or we don't really have the right to point our fingers towards the other people na they sin differently than we sin. So sa akin lang, let's be a little kinder and let's learn from other people's experience. Yun lang.